Before installing your Fortifi car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Group 1 is forward-facing for children between 9 to 18 kilograms, which is approximately 1 to 4 years old. Place the Fortifi onto the vehicle seat. Before installing, adjust the child seat to the desired recline position. Pull the seat pads forward to expose the inside of the child seat. Thread the vehicle seat belt through the 2 belt slots at the back of the child seat, ensuring there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Engage the vehicle buckle. While pressing the child seat down, pull and tension the vehicle shoulder belt. Open the red locking clip and insert the vehicle shoulder belt through it. Continue to pull and tension the vehicle shoulder belt until the child seat does not move on the vehicle seat. Double-check that there is significant tension in the waist belt. Ensure the guard surround safety panel closest to the door is open for side impact protection. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Ensure the bottom of the headrest is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harnesses toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Remove the buckle cover and stow the buckle in the hideaway compartment. Detach the snaps on the seat pad. Place the shoulder harness straps and buckle tongues in the harness hideaway compartments. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. Groups 2 and 3 are forward-facing for children between 15 to 36 kilograms, which is approximately 3 to 12 years old. Help the child into the seat. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and pass the belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the red belt guide. Ensure the bottom of the headrest is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull and tension the vehicle seat belt and check there are no twists. When not in use, be sure to secure the booster seat with the vehicle seat belt to ensure the safety of the vehicle's other passengers. For more detail, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joiebaby.com.